Hello friends, welcome to the channel Science Knowledge with Sudhakar Khoth. I am Dr. Sudhakar. Today we will deal with plant-water relationship. Water is an inevitable element for the existence of life. Probably this is the reason why the life is present only on the blue planet, that is on the planet Earth. Water is one of the most essential element for completion of life cycle of the plants as well as for the animals. Water is present in various forms in the atmosphere. The animals, they can move from one place to another place and they can satisfy their requirement of water. But what about the plants? They are anchored at one place right from the germination of the seeds up to the completion of life cycle. Do you know any plant which is having a water pump in its body, which pumps the water from the soil to the aerial plant parts? Or do you know any such plant which is having a pumping system like as a heart, which is a common thing in animals? If no, then isn't it amazing how the huge plants, which are of almost the height of 100 to 300 feet, they absorb the water from the substratum and it is transported to each and every cell of the plant body? In today's lecture, we will try to understand the plant-water relationship. And for the convenience, we will divide this topic in 4 parts. The first part, we will deal with physiological role of water. In the second part, we will see the mechanism of water absorption. In the next one, transport of water through the xylem, and the last unit will be transpiration. So let us start with part 1, physiological role of water. Water is inevitable for the existence of life. That means we cannot replace water by any other element for the completion of life cycle. So it is the must element for the existence of life. Water is a major component of the protoplasm, and protoplasm is the life supporting matrix. About 70% of the protoplasm is contributed by the water. Water is essential for germination. We see that the moisture content in seeds, dried seeds, is comparatively very less. The fresh material of the plant or animal body consists of 70 to 80% of water. But what about the seeds? They are dry, and even though they are dry, they are showing the characteristic of life. But please note that these seeds, they will germinate only when they will be supplied with sufficient amount of water. Without sufficient amount of water, the germination is not possible, and hence the existence of life is also not possible. Water takes part in the growth through turgidity. The cells become turgid by absorption of water, and thereby they can complete their physiological activities in the small space. Water is the donor of electron and proton during photosynthesis, and the byproduct of photosynthesis, that is the oxygen, is also produced from the water. Water helps in breakdown of complex food material by a process called as hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is addition of water molecule in the complex food elements, whereby it is broken down into simple elements, and this hydrolysis of food is a part of respiration. Plants need water for absorption of nutrients. We know that animals, they have engulfing or eating habit, whereas the plants, they absorb nutrients only when they are present in soluble form. The water, it works as a solvent for the nutrients, and only the elements which are dissolved in water will be absorbed by the plants as a nutrient. Water gives cooling effect to the plant body. Through transpiration, water forms a thin film around the aerial plant parts, and thereby water regulates the body temperature of the plants. Water is the universal solvent, so most of the nutrient elements may be macro elements or micro elements. They will be dissolved in the water and will be supplied to the plants. So these are the various roles of water which helps in the existence and completion of life cycle of the plants. In the next video, we will deal with absorption of water, then transport of water and the transpiration process. Till then, if you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you.